a little drip. What's going on YouTube? We back with another video, but this video is gonna be different. So we're gonna go to a car meet all the way in LI, aka Long Island. We about to see what's out there. Hopefully I'm not the only 370Z out there, because the last two car meets I went to, bro, I was the only Z there, which is crazy. So fuck it. At least I'm not regular traffic though, if I can't find my car over there. But let me come outside, let me show y'all the car. But it's your mind, but not waste time. But yeah, this is what we're working with right now. Damn. But we're gonna get a car wash, we're gonna get some gas, and then we about to head all the way over there to the car meet. Hopefully I'm not the only Z there. I might not be, but come on, let me stand back. Yeah. Alright, let's go get some gas, bro. Look at that. Fucking dirt shit. $35, bro, for 6 gallons. This is crazy. No fucking way. I'm gonna go get something to drink, bro. You can never go wrong with water. Damn. Damn, nigga, $3.79 for fucking water, bro? What the fuck? Oh, wow. Alright, let's give this shit a wash. I feel like it don't need a wash, but fuck it. The worst time to get in my mind. And then we about to go dry right now. This is so much fucking work. Oh my god. Oh, now that the car is washed, I'm about to set the destination to the car meet. Yeah, I see y'all guys over there. Y'all, we back. Oh shit. Damn. So we here at the car meet. There goes my stock looking Z. And then you got this right here, bro. Air suspension and everything. Look, carbon hood. This shit is crazy. God damn. You got a G37 right there. Definitely on air suspension, bro. Yo, whose G is this? Oh, who's G? Oh, no English? Oh, shit. But it's fire though. Damn, nobody be speaking English here? This queue is tough. M4 over there. This, what is this, C5? This is a C5. God damn. G is tough. Holy fuck. Damn, this shit is crazy. It's boosted?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I had to fill in. I see them big ass tires right there.
Yeah.
That shit is crazy. I'm so tired of looking at my fucking stock car, bro. There's mad VQs out here, bro. ZX. God damn. Q. Let me see. It's another G. Damn, I feel at home. I'm not gonna lie. It's another Q. Supra. Nah, I'm crying. The little I'm crying. What you got done to it?
Single turbo.
Shut the fuck up.
Bullshit.
Yo, fuck it. You could have went with it. You ain't popping hood.
Yeah, you're right.
Nah, GTR injectors, long tube headers. What else you got?
You lying? You dead ass.
ISR exhaust. Nah, I'm dead ass. Nah.
Dead ass?
Partial.
Alright, ISR. You said long two headers? Which one? ISR?
Yeah, I got ISR.
Oh, ISR all the way?
Yeah. Yeah. Resonated test pipes.
Nah, you lying.
I swear.
You can't have long tube headers
I don't
and
have
test
long tube
pipe.
headers.
You just said that.
Nah, I was lying.
Oh.
I said I was lying.
I thought I did.
Oh, okay, alright.
Yeah,
So you
resonated
said
test pipes.
Alright.
ISR. Shit you see on the outside.
Nigga, I also couldn't bring my
What's this, a wrap?
calipers and
Yeah.
shit.
I fuck with the wrap.
I just got it wrapped like 2 weeks
Niggas got
ago.
on the highway, the way these
I need to wrap my shit, bro. I got a Z, so. But I got straight up ISR,
this nigga, bro.
the white pipe and the exit, the single exit. I just copped the test pipes, the resonator shit. So
My opinion, resonated sound better than non-resonated.
hell yeah, I'm not getting that shit. But I wanted the long tubes, but Nigga, that shit like 800, and then you gotta pay like 700 for niggas to install that shit.
Yeah, that's it. Watch out for this nigga, bro.
Word.
I'm thinking of going on springs or coils. I don't know yet. Like I would wait to get coils.
How many miles is what?
170.
You have a G?
Nah, I got a Z.
A Z?
Yeah,
Okay. 350 or
70.
370?
Yeah, my shit stock.
Manual or automatic?
Nah, bro, you can't find that shit in manual, bro.
It's hard to find a good manual.
That's what I'm saying. But nah, if you got like 170, I think you should get the coils to replace the whole shit. Cause I was thinking about the springs too, but I have like 105, so I think I'm about to change. Nah, bro, I'm from the Bronx.
From the Bronx?
Yeah.
Bronx? You came here?
You should pop out to one of our meets.
Where at?
Project VQ is like that's our team.
This purple rap goes crazy. What the fuck? God damn. This shit goes hard. This blue rap goes crazy too. All these shits go crazy. All this shit goes crazy. God damn, nigga. This the boosted G37 we seen earlier, bro. This shit is insane. Look, bucket seats. Sheesh. 3.0. Making me want to wrap my shit black, bro.
It's alright, you know, I was enjoying the weather, cleaning my son's turtle.
This is insane, bro. G80's clean. But a G80's a G80. Nah, I'm fucking playing, bro. That G80's nice. This shit's a fucking tin can, bro. What the hell? This shit gotta weigh less than 2,500. I'm not gonna lie, I think that's about it. I'm about to muffle. I'm about to wrap this shit up. Nah, this car me like, I'll give this car me like a good 8 out of 10. A good 8 out of 10 here. So we're back from the meet. I'm getting gas. But nah, overall that meet was solid. Especially that 1370Z, bro. That 1370Z, shit's tough. All it does, it just gives me motivation to just keep going and build my whole car. So we're just gonna do that. So fuck, man, the drive is mad long, bro. I gotta drive like an hour back. It's like 40 miles actually. I said 40, so
Thank you.
thank you, boss. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys.